So today we are talking about the new Jimny, Suzuki Jimny 143 scale, and this is by MSZ models. So initially we are going to start off with the front, and the front is actually very well detailed for this size. And as you can see, the logo is very clear and it's visible. And then there the headlight detailing is awesome, indicators are awesome, the bumper is also looking great. And overall the branding, the Jimny branding written is great. And then we come on to the side and front, the golden angle. And in this, everyone always keeps on saying when they see this model, and that is that the wheels, they can be a little more how do you say, they can be a little thicker, they can be a little better. But yeah, I mean, it's a budget 43 scale model, so overall the front detailing is quite decent. Coming on to the sides, the wheels are great, they are very much like the real car, very well replicated. Logo is not there on the wheels, but I don't think it makes much of a difference, because overall the side profile of the car, when you put it like this, it looks great because the stance is great. And you see the ground clearance and everything is very well made. It has got openable doors also, so the doors, they are on the angles. So the front angle, when you do this, you can see this gap which is not very neat, but from this angle it looks very nice. The insides of the door obviously do not have the best detailing, and you cannot expect a lot of interior in this scale. If we look at the driver's side, you can barely see the steering and everything. I mean, it just exists for the sake of it. You do not expect much detailing on this scale anyway, so it is not a big problem. Now we come on to the rear, and the rear is actually very well made, especially with that rear tire with the branding. It looks great. The tail lamps are plastic, so that's great because it lends authenticity to the car. And then you have got Suzuki written, and on this side you have Jimny Sierra written, so the branding is very clear and very visible. Paint quality is great, it shines a lot. The roof is matte black, it's actually matte finish, so that feels great. The wipers look great. And these will be available very soon in India through Hamleys, because MSZ models and Hamleys have got a partnership. You can already see other models are already available in India. So, I mean, at the end of the day, if I look at this car, and these are very inexpensive, they generally come for quite decent prices. So, overall, it's a great model, it's a great car to have, and is a very nice for photo shoots, because everything, the side mirrors are very authentic, and these are pure metal. This car is pure metal, so it's a very solid car, and you do not need to worry too much about breaking it, so you just can enjoy. And the tire quality and everything is very authentic. These are all rubber tires, so they look good and they offer great photographic opportunities. So this was just a very short view of the car, and let me know what you guys think about it. And yes, one important feature is that it has got the push like the pull back function, where you pull the car backwards and it just shoots forward. So yes, I mean, that's a great feature to have on this car. So hope you guys liked it, and let me know what you guys think about the video.